Alright, we'll see. Somebody just hopped and flapped. And I said, here I come. And they both said, oh, quick, be quiet. So we'll see. We're prepared. We'll watch for a little bit. Check them out real quick. See how the babies look today. They look good. I don't see Mom and Dad anywhere. They must be out. Looking for fish. Or discussing stuff at the river.